Seriously, Bradley, the glasses? What are you, like 7 years old? Come on. What are you, like an improv comedy coach or something? Oh, wait a minute. I am. On the 24th of July in Utrecht, Susan de Vriend and I are hosting an improv comedy mini workshop. You know what? Before I make this public, I should make sure that it's okay to join. I'm not sure because it's a Toastmasters thing. I need to check if you're allowed to come if you're not a regular Toastmasters visitor. I'll figure that out. But if you're interested, we're going to have a 2-hour session from 7 to 9 p.m. in the heart of Utrecht, not at our normal location, by the way. If you know our normal location, it's not there. And if you don't know where it is, then you don't know where it is. Then you need to sign up, and then we'll find out if you can actually come. How's this for vague? You know what improv is? Improv is doing exactly what I'm doing right now. Do I have a script? Do I have like a big teleprompter behind me in the woods? No, I don't. Do I know what I'm going to say? I kind of do. Why? Because I'm practiced at this. I am good at this. And I can wing it because I've got structure in my head, beginning, middle, end. I've got the whole story structure of story brand and the hero's journey. Do you want to hear what it is? Do you want to hear what I can do in like 5 seconds? You ready? It's not 5 seconds, but there's a hero who has a problem, who meets a guide, who has a plan with a call to action to avoid failure and achieve success. I just did that in 7 steps, just like that. That is improv at its best. I'm rocking it out here in the woods. What are you doing Friday evening, the 24th? Do you want to come learn some of this stuff? Improv, boom, boom, boom. Come on. You think I'm just a naturally good on my feet, just naturally just winging it like that? Well, I kind of am. But I'm better. Okay, that was cheeky, right? That was pretty cheeky. But I've gotten better through skills. So this is stuff you can learn, and this is stuff we're going to be teaching Friday the 24th at the Improv Comedy Workshop that you may or may not be invited to. But anyway, come on out. It's going to be fun if you're allowed to sign up. And if you're not, you know what? Then send me a comment and we'll do it somewhere else where the public is invited. So Susan and Vriend and I, we met at well, we actually met at Toastmasters, but we worked at Boom. We didn't work like I'm an employee. We took classes. We are awesome. We've done stand-up comedy. We've done improv comedy. We've done years of Toastmasters. We are on stage. We are pros at this. And we are going to help you become more comfortable, like in front of the camera or without the camera or on stage or when you're presenting. And then, can you take me seriously with these glasses? I mean, really, I kind of just saw myself in the reflection. I'm like, seriously, can you take me seriously? No, we cannot take me seriously. And that's why this is an improv comedy workshop and not like a tax preparation workshop, right? That's at 9 p.m. after the improv comedy. Then we're going to get into taxes. Hey, my timer's up. You know what? Timer. We got to go. We got things to do. I got to wrap this up. There it is. See you next week. Or not. Bye for now.